Hello viewers, your WhatsApp doesn't read your phone book or it shows only number. So here I am going to share you how can you connect your WhatsApp to your contact book in case if it only display numbers. So I am sharing you two methods through which you can access WhatsApp in your setting easily. Now you are watching that WhatsApp only shows number, however only groups have numbers. So simply go to your mobile settings and then type WhatsApp, or as soon as you touch search bar or search box, so it appears, you can click it and WhatsApp will be displayed. Below is the WhatsApp which you need to connect to your phone book. In case if this WhatsApp is not available, go to search and type WhatsApp. So again it appear, click the below one and go to permission, click it, or leave this way, go to setting and then simply scroll it down, go to app. It's the second method. And now let's go down and click WhatsApp. Now go to permission, click it. And now let's move down and simply go to contacts, click it and tick mark and allow. Now send an SMS to a friend or push your WhatsApp down, restart your mobile or wait for a short while. Your WhatsApp will access your contact books. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.